Hello friends, welcome to Chess Circle Academy. In today's chess, we are going to look at Milner-Berry Gambit in French defense. If you want to play French, you must have the knowledge about this gambit, especially those who are new to French defense. Let's start the game.
For chess promotion, like and subscribe Chess Circle Academy.
White move the pawn on e4. Black respond e6. White d4. Black d5. White e5. This is the advanced French line. Black forward the pawn c5. White c3. Black move the queen on b6. White bring the knight on f3. Black bring the knight on c6. White move the bishop on d3. This is the starting point of Milner-Berry Gambit. White offers the d pawn. It seems that d pawn has just been lost, but it will have to pay a price. Black c takes d4. White c takes d4. Black move the bishop on d7. Actually, black cannot play the knight takes d4 because his queen rp is lost. Therefore, black play the bishop on d7 to stop the check. White castle. Black knight takes d4. White knight takes d4. Black queen takes d4. White bring the knight on c3. Now white giving up one pawn and offers another pawn. Black queen takes e5. Black in greed and accept two pawns. However, white has the plenty of play in compensation. Let's move on. White bring the rook on e1. Black move the queen on d6, but most popular reply is queen on b8. White move the knight on b5. Black bishop takes b5. This is the bad move. I think queen on b6 looks better. White bishop takes b5 check. Black move the king on d8. Now white two pawns down but has the strong attack. Black king is stuck on d8. White move the queen on h5. This is the best move of the game. Let's see the magic of this move. White attack on f7 pawn. Black move the pawn on g6. White move the queen on f3. Again attack the f7 square. Black f6. White move the bishop on f4. White take the black queen. If black play e5, that's not good move because white rook takes e5. Black move the queen on e7. White move the a rook on d1. Black move the queen on f7 to avoid the pin. White rook takes d5. White play the best move and now has the mobilized all his forces against black. Black e takes d5. White queen into d5 check. Black bring the bishop on d6 and now queen takes d6 checkmate. This was a Berry Milner Gambit. We analyzed this through a game. I hope you like this video. Thanks.
I hope you liked this video and don't forget to like and subscribe Chess Circle Academy.